Here we are with number 11. It says solve for x and y in the equations, these ones. Now these were numbers for indices, by the way, and then solving simultaneous equations. So let me start by handling this. So in our solution, you had 8 power x equals 4 power 2y plus 1. Now you had to just use prime factors. You express these two to one base. So you prime factorize 4 and also prime factorize 8. How do you prime factorize? So if I have 8 here, by 2, 4, by 2, 2, by 2, 1. So meaning my 8 is the same as 2 power 1, 2, 3. Then when I come to a 4 now you see I still prime factorize. This will be 2 power 2. So then I substitute here. So I'll be having, now where there is 8, I put 2 power 3. The whole power x. Where there is a 4, I put now. Then you see, we said if we have numbers raised to 2 powers, these 2 powers multiply. So I have now 3 times this, I get 3x equals, here I have 2 into 2y plus a 1. Now from there, we multiply, so 2 power 3x will be equal to 2. 2 times this, I get 4y plus 2 times this, I get 2. Now there we apply a property which says that if I have 2 bases raised to 2 different powers, but these bases are the same, it means that also these powers are the same. So from there, my m is equal to n. So from there, you see that now these 2 powers are going to be the same. So I have now 3x equals 4y plus 2. It's up to you. You can either bring this side or you take this side. So when I bring this side, I have 3x minus 4y equals a 2. And I name this my equation 1. Now I come to the one of 27 power 2x equaling to, I also prime factorize this one. The prime number there is 3. By 3 there I get, by 3 there I get 3. Then by 3 I get 1. So 27 the same as 3 power 1, 2, 3. Then 9, if we prime factorize now in the same as 3 power 2. So now where is 27 I put, here I put now 3 power 2 into y minus 3. So still the powers will multiply, so I have 3 power 6x equals now 3 into y minus 3 equals this times this, you get 2y minus 2 times this, you get that. Still we apply this property, if bases are the same, the powers are equal. So I have now 6x equaling to 2y minus 6. Now we said, now it's better you bring this side. Have now 6x minus 2y equals negative 6, and this becomes our equation 2. Now we solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So if I bring them, I can start by writing here my 1, which is 3x. Then here I have negative 6. You multiply 6 here, you multiply 3 here. There are many ways you can solve them. So this will give us 18x minus 24y equals, that's a 12. Then this will be because I'm having two different, same signs, I subtract 18 minus 18, I get 0. Negative 24 minus 6, that will give me a minus 18 y equals 12 minus, that will give me a 30. So from there, you can able see I have now my negative 18y equals 30 divided by 18. This becomes 30 over negative 18. By 6, we have negative 5 over 3. So that is our value of y. So if you want any of your choice, you can use to get x. So I can say that from here or here, as I say, from 6x equals 2y minus 6 from this equation here. So now, is that now my 6x will be 2 into, I have now the value of y, which is negative 5 over 3 minus 6. So you can able get a calculator, so our 6x will be, so I'll be having negative 10 minus, over 3 minus 6. And this will give me, you see that I'm going to multiply this to get negative 18. This will be, not to skip steps, I'll be having now minus 10 minus 18 over 3. And this will give me minus 28 over 3. So now it's that my 6x is equal to minus 28 over 3. If I divide it there, my x now becomes negative 28 over 18. So which you can reduce to x equals to negative 14 over 9. So therefore, the value for x is negative over 9, and then the one for y is going to be over 3. So that's the solution for that number 11. That's it, members. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want more indices, please visit the playlist.